Simon on the move. Good run from Moses Simon. Chance here. Hits the side netting. Nigeria's first big opportunity, and some of their supporters inside the stadium saw the net below and thought it was in. The angle was always against Simon, who made that fantastic run in behind El and Didi. El Shinawi. The ball was in towards Awaniyi. The chance still might be here for Iheanacho. And what a finish that is by Kelechi Iheanacho to give the Super Eagles of Nigeria the lead against Egypt. Iheanacho stepping up, showing that Nigeria pack a goal threat even without Osimhen and Igalo. He has become a senior man, Kelechi Iheanacho. And the Leicester City attacker gets Nigeria's first goal of the 2021 Africa Cup of Nations. A tremendous